Hi everyone! So, welcome to my mini shop. Ayan. So, pagpasok nyo dito sa entrance ng bahay namin, ito na yung makikita nyo agad. So, I have this space para sa aking mga sa aking small business. So, ayan. We have the products of RF3 World and Karen's Fashion, ng mga clothing, footwear, accessories, and other stuff. Ayan. At ayan yung mga ating, we have wigs as well for sale. Yan yung mga clothing. Ayan. Madami pa. And nakatago lang yung mga nasa boxes yung ibang mga damit natin. We have some accessories, some perfumes that I mixed. Home spray and yung diffusion. Meron din. So, ang laman ng yan, white shelves na yan na drawer, is mga damit pa siya. So, ayan. Mga stocks natin, sizes and different colors. Ayan. So, Karen's Fashion and the House of RF3 World. Ayan. So, welcome to my mini shop. Ayan. We have the Fair Max 3 and the O2 Max 3 serum. Nano Mist. We have Soul Max 3 Plus, Cacto Max 3 Plus. Ayan. So, hindi available yung ibang products at ito na lang yung mga stocks natin na available at the moment kasi sold out na po tayo. So, ayan.